Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And my name's Becca, and I'm from the education team. Jeffrey, I need to tell you something. I haven't been cleaning my makeup tools as often as I should.
I know a lot of people deal with this on a regular basis, not an issue. I'm actually glad that you brought this up because in this month's Play by Sephora box for the month of January, you're actually gonna get the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. Now this is a really awesome solid soap that you can use to wash all your tools. And in this video, I'm gonna show you some quick tips and tricks on how and why you might do it. So the first thing that I want you to keep in mind, Becca, is that the Beauty Blender Cleanser works on multiple tools. So it's not just reserved for your sponges. You can use it for your brushes as well.
Oh, perfect.
It's really easy to do. All you do is wet your tool, so for your brush or your sponge under the sink for just a few moments, swirl it around on the solid soap, and then wring it clean. Now you're gonna notice that everything comes out. Built up foundation, lots of powder, even stains.
Wow, that seems so simple and fast.
Super quick. The next thing that I want you to know, Becca, is that you need to protect your investment. Actually cleansing and taking care of your tools prolongs the life of them. It actually even fights bacteria buildup, so it's great for keeping your skin clear.
Oh, nice.
Another thing that I love about this particular product is that it's infused with charcoal and lavender, which are actually trending skincare ingredients. Charcoal is really great for detoxifying, and lavender is amazing for purifying.
This sounds like it's a spa day.
With all of that information, hopefully you're inspired to take care of your tools a little bit more.
Yes, I totally will do this, and I hope that you all join me in doing it too, because it seems like we have no reason not to.
Super easy now.
So that's it from us. See you guys soon.